The anime follows a young man named Makuta Tsuyoshi, who is suddenly transported to a new world filled with magic and monsters. Fortunately, he discovers that he has a powerful new ability, the ability to cook delicious food using a simple campfire and basic ingredients. Tsuyoshi sets out on a journey to explore this new world, making friends and allies along the way. Using his cooking skills, Tsuyoshi helps those in need and wins the hearts of those around him. He faces various challenges, including dangerous monsters and unexpected betrayals, but with his cooking skills and loyal companions, he overcomes every obstacle. Overall, Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skill is a heartwarming and fun-filled anime that combines fantasy and cooking.